Welcome. This episode we will be building part 5-46D Lubricator Ram Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-46D Lubricator Ram Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Click File, New, MMGS. Okay, let's go. Front view. This piece is pretty straightforward. Let's do a counter line. Count. What's it called? Yes, a center line, I mean. Not counter line. Go line. Then we're going to go to up angle, straight up, across, and straight down. Very simple. Okay, so these two lines here are going to be... I'll take that out. Let me do that again. That one, do that one. That's what I want. Going to be 5. It's going to be 12. Really? Oh. Yeah. Is it? There we go. That's weird. The whole thing disappeared. We delete you out. Thank you. Mark dimension. There we go. And what did I say? 12. There we go. And that's going to be height of... nope. Height of 3. And that's going to be height of 6.5. 6.5. That should be all up. These 2 points will be horizontal. There we go. It's all defined. Now we go feature... boss resolve boss base. I don't know what it's called. That. Okay, that one's done. Go to appearance, rubber. That'll do. There we go. That should be all the way through. It is beautiful. Let me turn that over. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. That's part 5-46D Lubricator Ram Seal done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thanks for coming along. Told you it's a simple piece. That's actually made from Teflon. So I just put rubber just for the colour. So we'll look probably when I'm doing the I should put, actually, do we have Teflon? Oh, we've got Teflon in this or not. Is there a search feature? No search feature, which is a bugger. This was rubber. I don't think we got Teflon. Organic stone, scenes, detail, plastic. I don't think it's really Teflon's under plastic. Textured. I'm not too sure on that. Let's leave there. It's just more for visual at the moment anyway. So thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.